In the hills of Alba, where the heather blooms, a tale of sorrow, of love and bitter gloom. Carnal, a warrior with a heart full of fire, lost his wife, his love, to the rival clan's desire. Raiders came in the dead of night, took her life away from sight. Carl's heart on a bloody pyre swore his revenge with soul on fire. He tracked them down through the Highland Rain, his sword in hand, his heart full of pain. He fought his way through the rival clan's stead, until he stood in the village, every man dead. But as he stood amidst the ruins and red, he dropped his sword and clutched his head. For though he'd won, his heart still empty, still so sore. His love, his wife, forever lost, gone forevermore. As he stood amidst the ruins and red, he dropped his sword and clutched his head. For though he won, his heart still empty, still so sore. His love, his wife, forever lost, gone forevermore. He weeps for his love, for what could never be. A life together, lost a destiny. He thought revenge would fill the hole, but now he sees what did not dim the toll. His heart still aches, his soul still cries for the love he lost, the love that died in the hills of Alba, where the heather blooms. Carnal sorrow will forever bloom.